This video is an overview of reviewing your business tax return and completing the client action required items. Once we complete your return, you're going to receive an email. The email is going to walk you through some of the same things we're going to walk through in this video, but it's going to tell you where to go into your portal, where to click, what you need to complete. A copy of your invoice will also be attached to this email for your tax preparation. So once we go to get to our portal, we're going to go to our website, methodcpa.com. We're going to click on the client login. Enter our username and password. Once we go into the portal, on the left navigation pane, we're going to see the name of the company. So we're going to click that. First thing we're going to do is actually take a look at the tax returns and make sure everything looks good. So we're going to click tax returns. We're going to look at our 2018 return, and we'll see our US, which is our federal, and then Virginia. So we can click these to review them. If you prefer, you can check them off. You can download the selected items, save them on your computer. But for right now, let's go ahead and open up the federal. So it'll appear on your screen and you can just scroll through it, make sure everything looks good. Once you have reviewed it, I'm going to X off this window. And then you can do the same thing with Virginia. Once you're happy with everything looks good, now we want to complete the signature forms. There's two ways to go. We can click this up button here, which will take us up one folder structure at a time, or you can just go back and click the name of the company, which will take you back to the beginning. So I click the company. We're going to client action required. And here's our 2018 company tax return action item. So let's go ahead and open this up. We recommend that you only print this. For businesses, it's normally going to be fairly short. We got an instruction letter here for the federal. It's basically just telling us to sign the form and send it back to us. Oops. So here's the federal form that needs to be signed and transmitted back to Method CPA. Virginia, basically saying the same thing. You need to sign the form and get it back to us. So these two signature forms, you can print them, sign them. You can physically drop them off at our office. You can fax them to us. You can upload them through your portal. If you want to upload them, you basically, within the portal here, we're going to click File Exchange. We would click Document Exchange. And then we would click the Upload button here. We click Add Files, and we drill down to where the files are saved on our computer, or you can drag them into this box. Once they're showing up in this box, there's going to be a different button here that says Start Upload. You'll click Start Upload, and when it's finished, it'll show those documents that they have been uploaded. When they're uploaded, we'll get an email notification, so we'll go in and get them. If for any reason we don't get those as we get close to the due date, we will be calling you to make sure that we do receive those forms. So we're going to watch your tax return due dates until we've actually received the signature forms and transmitted the returns to the IRS. Once you're finished with everything, just don't forget in your portal here to click your name and the log out button.